Welcome everyone. Today we are exploring the world of facility design and location. In the era of rapid industrial shift, how are we going to structure our physical environment of organization and catch the success? If you want to master both art and science of facility design and location, you are in the right place. This is Resmi speaking. Let's start the video. So, facility designing isn't just building walls, okay? It's about optimizing the circulation flow, ensuring sustainability, and balancing different programmatic zones like plants, labs, and collaborative workspaces. So what exactly are the facilities? They are more than just infrastructure. They are the converge points where people, materials, and machines interact with each other. Whether we are looking for at a plant floor or a high technology innovation lab, the objective is the same here: to minimize waste and maximize resource utilization, right? And effective facility management is the backbone of any operation. It ensures that every square meter contributes to the quality of the final output. So why facility planning matters? It actually helps us to improve some certain goals, like every plant needs to do. For example, quality impact. Poor facility design leads to defective products and customer dissatisfaction, which can cause bad reputation for us. And the other point is cost efficiency, of course. Inefficient layouts increase handling and maintenance expenses significantly. And the other point is workforce morale. Suboptimal environments reduce employee satisfaction and productivity. If our employees are not happy with us, we can't do anything. We can't do the production, right? And adaptability, of course. Facilities must evolve to meet changing operational requirements. Manufacturing and service companies invest substantial time and capital designing or redesigning facilities, making it one of the most critical stage decisions before production or service delivery begins. And facility planning represents a multidisciplinary approach combining technical expertise with creative problem solving to create functional and efficient spaces. Like we have engineering disciplines, for example, civil engineers, electrical, industrial, mechanical engineers. And on the other hand, for the design professionals, we have architects, consultants, urban planners, of course. As we get help from different disciplines, of course, applications will be from different sectors. For example, manufacturing, healthcare, service industry, logistics. In manufacturing, you have to plan the assembly lines, production facilities, and industrial plants. Healthcare, for example, hospitals, you need to plan every little step for human health, right? This is the most important things for us. And service industry, we have hotels, restaurants, airports, etc. Facility planning illustrates how fixed assets support achieving organizational goals in optimal way, which is everyone wants to do it. And this is facility planning hierarchy here. We have facility planning, facility location, design and implementation. At the planning side, we do the strategic framework encompassing location and design decisions. Okay, this is the most important part for decision taking. And lately we have facilities location, geographic placement relative to customers, suppliers, distributors. This is the part of where are we going to create our facility for the exact geographic location. And after this, we have facility design, which includes creating efficient spaces through system, layout, and handling system. We are going to talk about that later. And lastly, we have implementation. You are going to execute your plan you made before and continuously improve the facility plan, because this is not a short-term application. This is long-term, and we have to improve again and again, okay? Each industry adapts this hierarchy. Manufacturing focuses on plant location and material handling. Offices emphasizes information flow, while hospitals balance patient, equipment, and material movements. Okay, here we have what is the difference between facility location and design. For example, facility location, as you see in the image here, we have a map. Map is a macro perspective of geographic placement, facility relative to customers, suppliers, and interfacing operations. The strategic decisions impacting long-term cost and accessibility. This is what facility location includes. And on the other hand, we have facility design, which is the micro perspective. After you make the decision of where are you going to create your facility, you start to design the inside, right? Creating efficient interior spaces through system design, layout optimization, and handling systems. The tactical implementation of operational efficiency, as you can see here. Here, for the both, we have three main steps, which are facility systems, layout design, and handling systems. This handling system is what you need for production, okay? Materials of production, personnel, information, equipment, etc. And for the facility system, the system of production, like lightning, power, water, and sewage infrastructure, etc. And lastly, we have layout design, which is the facility design part, arrangement of production, support, and personnel areas we have to design. Okay, here we have some objectives of facility planning. For example, you have to obey the government policy to continue your production, right? And you have to care about the construction cost, labor market, power availability, transportation, land access, etc. These are the objectives you have to see all the time, because you have to keep the balance and minimizing the costs at the same time. Facilities tries to minimize total delivered to customer cost while balancing all factors affecting manufacturing and distribution efficiency. That's why they need to carry all of these objectives all the time. And this is the facility planning process. Of course, all the time, phase 1 is defining or redefining facility objectives and primary activities. What are you going to do? This is the what is your aim step, okay? And the next step, phase 2, is analyzing and evaluating space requirements, generate alternatives, and selecting the optimal design. And lastly, we have the implement phase, which means what did you plan before, you are going to execute them here and maintain continuous improvement cycle. This is not going to end. This is an improvement cycle. The engineering design process provides a systematic, organized approach. True facility planning remains partly art and partly science, which requires creative problem solving and alongside technical analysis, what industrial engineers do. Okay, lastly, here we have some quick takeaways here. Strategic importance. Facility planning determines how tangible assets contribute to meeting organizational objectives. And continuous process. Facilities are frequently replanned to adapt to changing objectives. Technology is evolving day by day. And two pillars, of course, the facility location, the macro site, and facility design, the micro site. And the most important part here is cost reduction. Everyone wants to increase their costs, right? Facility planning represents significant opportunity for efficiency and productivity gains. Mastering facility planning combines technical expertise with strategic vision to create adaptable, efficient spaces that drive organizational success. Alright guys, this is the end of first video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or any feedbacks, please let me know on the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, please. See you in the next video.